Hey people, making these videos every day is like a test of patience for you and for me, I guess. But yeah, we need to soldier on. Today is just, we have another at least, I think, 12 days more to go, 13 days more to go for the lockdown. But it's at so many levels, this is special, yeah. It really is. So, people, I just have to say that there is this one YouTuber Village 143. That's his ID, and it was so sweet of him to leave a comment. It was like saying that these are nice videos. I mean, you know, sometimes just the random most this thing encouragement coming from somewhere can make your day. I mean, I was feeling very low in the morning. Low, not as in low. People, for the past 2 days, as of yesterday and day before, I was doing 108 times Surya Namaskar every day. Can you believe 108? The last time I had attempted it, was a decade ago. This thing. So yeah, the past 2 days I did, and now hopefully I'll be doing it again. And people, to do it is actually not so tough, because if you divide that 108 into 25, 25, like into cycles of 25, so and then finally do 8 times, you're done with that 108. Because if you start from 1 and say you will go up to 70, that becomes tough. But you can literally, I don't distribute it through the day, which you can do. Yeah, that also sounds good, for someone who's beginning and who wants to do it. I thought this is the one phase in my life, you have time, right? So it's easy to do it and then rest for some time. Amazing, 108 times. So this video is going nowhere really, but after long I felt like chatting. So yeah, people, let's do the Surya Namaskar 108 Surya Namaskar challenge. What say? So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.